also thank you to our presenters, Jorik and Miss Rose Arian. Congratulations to all of our winners so far.
Congratulations!
Yeah, we've announced a few already. Of course, we continue. Now, though, we move forward to the entertainment social media category. We'll begin with our next set of presenters.
Yes.
Let's welcome international Filipino drag icon, acclaimed performer, and trailblazer of the local drag industry, Ava the Queen, alongside athlete, advocate, actor, and dynamic multi-hyphenate talent, Kat Bruscolis.
The VP Choice Awards Content Creator of the Year recognizes the people's most loved digital creator who consistently produces relatable, engaging, and high-quality content across different genres. This award honors a creator whose work has become widely followed, relevant, and culturally impactful.
The nominees are Steven Bensil, Abby Marquez, John Martin, Christian Anthony, Haji Alejandro, Archie Lark. The VP Choice Award goes to Haji Alejandro. Congratulations.
The VP Choice Awards may include Social Media Star of the Year, recognizes the personality who made a powerful impact on that, may have the attention of families. Highlight recognizes the aspirational star whose talent, authenticity, and strong social media presence sparked conversations and resonated widely across platforms.
The nominees are Joy Bartoma, Ray Santel, Max Malo, Castle Castro,
Naglalakad pa sila?
and Lisa Manal. The VP Choice Award goes to Joy Bartoma. Connected with audience.
Ako din.
The nominees are Esther,
Saan po muna sa Rapawan?
Call TV,
Thank you.
Impact in the mainstream media and entertainment.
The nominees for this award are Maxim, Arizona Brandy,
There are a few words to describe what I'm feeling right now.
Dito daw, eh.
B is for bountiful. B is for blissful.
Dear sponsors, thank you to Honor Philippines, the Q.
like to thank VP Choice Awards for this award, and of course to our fans who really work day and night for all the stars that they voted. And yeah, thank you so much everyone, and have a good night.
Maraming salamat po dahil ito pong award na ito ay malaking tulong po sa mga nangangailangan. Maraming salamat sa mga bumoto para kuha ng